Hey plant lover, how you doing? Welcome to another interesting video. And this won't be just your first ever terrarium, it's mine as well. And the way it turned out, I had to share it with you and here I am. The fun part is nowhere in the video I would suggest you spend money on anything. Your home would already have enough materials available to help you create a mini ecosystem whereby you can put inside the plants that can withstand excess moisture and prefer the sheltered environment of the tropics. Also, please note that the ideal plants that are best suited for this project are the plant varieties such as mosses, orchids and ferns and air plants. And then all these plants would cost some money, right? So we would start our first terrarium with a different plant, one that's available everywhere and can withstand controlled conditions of a closed or an open terrarium. You like, share and subscribe and I'll see you towards the end of this video. See, observe, enjoy and let me know if you got any doubts.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up, really gon' rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing, do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do the after.
Believe me now, you got nothing to lose. No cost, a simple setup, that's all. So get going and start a terrarium. And proudly place it on one of your tables or gift a few to some important people in your life. Thank you for your time. You can let me know how you liked the video in the comments. And if you got questions, hit me up and we'll discuss. Stay safe, stay healthy, and grow more, live more. Until next time, take care. Cheers. Goodbye.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.